Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning class. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar, nouns. Don't worry if you are a beginner. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to recognize a noun easily. So, let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, doctor, student, Ali. Place: school, park, hospital, Pakistan. Thing: book, phone, table, computer. Animal: cat, horse, elephant. Idea or feeling: love, happiness, honesty, freedom. If a word gives a name to someone or something, it is usually a noun. How can we recognize a noun? There is no single rule that works every time. However, many nouns have common endings called suffixes. If you learn these suffixes, it becomes much easier to recognize nouns. Let's learn them one by one. 1. Words ending in ment. These words are usually nouns. Examples: development, agreement, payment, improvement, achievement, movement. Example sentence: your improvement is amazing. Here, improvement is the noun. 2. Words ending in ance or ence. Examples: importance, tendance, confidence, patience, difference, silence. Example: confidence helps you speak English well. 3. Words ending in tion or tion. Examples: education, information, invitation, conversation, decision, discussion. Example: education changes lives. 4. Words ending in ness. Examples: kindness, happiness, darkness, weakness, sadness. Example: her kindness made everyone smile. 5. Words ending in ity. Examples: ability, activity, honesty, quality, reality, possibility. Example: honesty is the best policy. 6. Words ending in or. These nouns often name a person. Examples: teacher, driver, singer, actor, doctor, visitor. Example: the teacher is very kind. 7. Words ending in ship. Examples: friendship, leadership, relationship, membership. Example: their friendship is very strong. 8. Words ending in ism. Examples: tourism, heroism, nationalism. Example: tourism creates many jobs. 9. Words ending in hood. Examples: childhood, motherhood, brotherhood, neighborhood. Example: my childhood was full of happy memories. 10. Words ending in h. Examples: marriage, baggage, package, village. Example: your package has arrived. 11. Words ending in dom. Examples: freedom, kingdom, wisdom. Example: freedom is important for everyone. 12. Words ending in your. Examples: pleasure, failure, departure, exposure. Example: failure teaches us valuable lessons. A simple trick. Ask yourself this question: can I put a and they, my, your, this, or that before the word. If the answer is yes, the word is often a noun. Examples: a book, an idea, the teacher, my phone, this city, that house. But be careful. These endings are helpful clues, but they are not 100% rules. Look at these examples. Development is a noun. Develop is a verb. Decision is a noun. Decide is a verb. Always look at the word and how it is used in the sentence. Now learn the noun through story. Story, the journey to success. Emma was a young teacher who loved education. She believed that every student had the ability to achieve something great. One day, she gave her class an important assignment. At first, many students lacked confidence. They thought the work was too difficult. Emma smiled and said, "Success begins with patience, honesty, and hard work." Her words gave everyone hope. Among the students was Tom. His greatest weakness was speaking English, but he never gave up. Every day he practiced with great determination and showed steady improvement. His best friend Sarah always encouraged him. Their friendship became stronger every day. After a few weeks, the class showed amazing development. The students enjoyed every conversation in English and asked many questions without fear. At the end of the month, the school held a speaking competition. Tom won first prize. It was a great achievement for him. The teacher was full of happiness. She knew that real success comes from confidence, education, friendship, and continuous improvement. The students learned an important lesson. Failure is not the end. It is the beginning of success. So, never stop learning, never lose hope, and always believe in your ability. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you can now recognize nouns much more easily. Remember, don't just memorize the rules. Try to notice nouns whenever you read a book, watch a movie, or listen to English. Here's your homework. Write 10 nouns from your daily life and identify their endings. Then, make 5 simple sentences using those nouns. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. In our next class, we will learn how to recognize verbs easily, along with simple tricks and plenty of examples. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.